Welcome to the bank, sir. How can I help you?
I want to deposit my cash.
Okay, you go to the second window.
Thank you. Hello sir, I want to deposit my cash. Okay, how much money do you want to deposit? I want to deposit 55,000 rupees. If you want to deposit up to 50,000, so you have to give your PAN card. I have my PAN card, sir. Okay, wait for 5 seconds. Take a slip and fill it. Take the slip, sir. Now give me your cash for deposit. Here is my cash, sir. Okay. Your cash has been deposited, and this is your cash deposited slip and PAN card. Okay, thank you. Welcome to the bank, sir. How can I help you?
I want to get a home loan.
Go to the first table, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Hello sir, how can I help you?
I want to get a home loan.
Sure, I can help you with that. Please have a seat.
Okay, thank you. I choose a home in a new project.
Okay, what amount of loan did you need?
I need a 25 lakhs rupees loan.
Okay, I need your documents to check your eligibility.
Sure, that's my document.
It seems like your document history is quite good.
Yes, I think this is important for the good financial year.
So true. Have you made a down payment for the home?
Okay, I think about that, but which is my option?
You have two options, floated and fixed in interest rates.
Okay, what about the rates of interest?
I will give you the list. It has details of both the options.
Okay, that's great.
And this is your application form that you have to fill.
Okay, can I fill it and bring it tomorrow?
Yeah, sure. Then we will calculate your EMI options.
Okay, thank you for your help.
You are welcome, sir.
Welcome to the bank. How can I help you? I want to open a new account. Okay, go to the first window. Okay. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. How can I help you?
I want to open a new account.
Okay, please have a seat. What do you do, sir?
I am a college student.
Okay, what kind of account would you like to open? We have two options, saving account or a current account.
I would like to open a saving account.
Okay. This is your form that you have to fill it.
But sir, I don't know how to fill this form.
Okay, I will help you to fill it.
Thank you, sir.
Some of your documents are required.
Which documents are required, sir?
Your PAN card, your Aadhaar card and electricity bill copy.
I have my ID proof, sir.
Okay. What is your full name?
My name is Mohammad Aftab Yaqub.
And what is your age?
My age is 20, sir. Sir, I have one question.
You may ask.
How much money do I need to deposit?
The minimum amount of deposit is 3,000 rupees.
Okay, no problem, sir.
Now give me your address which is connected with your electricity bill.
Room number 204, second floor, Gandhi building at Kalol.
What is your current mobile number?
70 466 9795.
Now give me your email address.
AFTAB SAIYAD 80034
Now sign on the application form. Do one more sign here. Now give me your ID proof copies.
Sir, how much time it takes to open my account?
Within 48 hours, your account will be activated and you will get your passbook at your address.
Okay.
When you get your passbook, you have to deposit 3000 rupees into next 5 days. Otherwise, your account will be deactivated.
Okay, when I get, I will do it. Thank you, sir.
You are welcome. Have a nice day, sir.